Hello, viewers and subscribers. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the YouTube app in the dark mode. Let's start. One, go to your YouTube app. You can click all apps here or type YouTube in the search box for it to come. And you tap on it to open. When it opens, the top right corner, you can see your icon there. Click on it. Now it's opening this. Go to settings. After selecting settings, you would see general here. General. Click on it. Now the general will open. We see the list of general settings up here. The first one is reminding me to take a break, which is currently off. We don't need that. The second one is dark theme, which is also currently off. So you can see YouTube is white. But in the night, for instance, where the weather and the atmosphere is dark, the brightness of the phone in the white mode is so sharp to the eye. So it's best to use it in dark mode. So to use YouTube in dark mode, press this button to turn it on. After pressing it, will automatically to change to dark. Let's see. You see, it's on. So it has changed to dark. Yeah. So go back and you are good to go. Use YouTube in the dark mode. Completely free for all YouTube application users. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe for more. Remember to like and share this video. You can go to my channel, Jonah Cap Online, and then like and subscribe to my channel for more videos of this. Thank you.